Hello and welcome to the demo of GTM Analytics scenarios using SAP Analytics Cloud. Here we have used features and functionalities of SAC to showcase different scenarios. To do this, we have used OData services and Cloud Connector to connect on-premise systems with SAC. We have created three different OData services which would be ultimately be consumed by SAC using Cloud Connector. So here you can see the GTM price, the Z open quantity one, the Z status one are the three OData services which have been created by us. Now here we can see that the Z status one OData service is being consumed and in the Google Chrome, and this exact data would be ultimately be consumed by SAC. And how this connectivity will happen, the backend system and the SAC. So this would be taken care by the Cloud Connector, which would be acting as a bridge between on-premise systems or data services and the SAC. So now let's directly move on to the demonstration of our use cases in SAC. So for this we have created four stories. The first one is the TC status analysis, where we can analyze the number of trading contracts per trading contract status, the trading contracts percentage per trading contract status. Here we can see that here are three different trading contract status: K, L, M, and M. K stands for open, L for released, and M for change after release. Here we can see that for K status we have 16 trading contracts. For L status we have 13, for M we have 3, and similarly the percentage of the three. And here we can, in the downside, we can see date wise trading contracts created, time series graph. Here we also have a feature of forecasting which has been currently on. We have a window frame in which we can see in which we can analyze the data of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and all. Now moving on to the next story that we have is the open quantity analysis, in which we have two graphs, one bar graph and one donut graph. We also have a filter based on unit of measure, for example each, kgs, and pieces. If you want to see the material groups which have a unit of measure as kgs, we can see over here material group 01 has a contribution of 25. We also have features like average, and we can also see the deviation between the two material groups. Now suppose if I want to drill down into these material groups and want to know what material numbers are actually contributing to this, I can just simply click on one material group, go inside it, and we can see that material number 12 is contributing towards material group 4. So let's go back. We also have features like smart analysis, smart insights. Here we can see that material group G10 is the top contributor with 232% above the average. So let's move on to the third story now, which is the price analysis. Here we have plotted four graphs. One is for vendor wise purchase price, the second one for customer wise purchase price, the third one for date wise purchase price, and date wise sales price. So first one, you can see the vendor wise contribution in purchase price. As you can see that vendor 1 has a maximum contribution. In sales side we can see that customer 05 is buying products from traders which have maximum sales price. Similarly, in purchase price we can see in 2016 the contribution of the quarters. Suppose we want to see the contribution of all, we can drill up and see the year wise contribution. We also have smart insights. If we click on it, we can see the further analysis like T Poisson 10 is the maximum contributor, vendor 02 is the maximum contributor, material GTMFD emerging test is the maximum contributor, and so on. And similarly we can do drill down and drill up for sales price. So this is it for this story. Now moving on to our last story. In this story we have not consumed any OData, we are just taking data from our Excel, and how we are planning to use it is that we have plants where open quantities lie. So the plant location we would be plotting in the geographs, and here you can see the bubble size. Bubble size will ultimately be the maximum open quantity, that is the open quantity. Suppose over here we can see that this bubble is smaller than this Alaska one, so which means the Alaska has more open quantity than this one. So that's it from our side. Hope you like it. Thank you.